Our climate, class 4, subject SST, lesson Our climate, question and answers. You can buy a question answer book of social studies from the description box under this video. इजी स्टडी के लिए इजी स्टडी विद सार्थक जी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक, शेयर करना ना भूले और बेल आइकन प्रेस करना ना भूले. Choose the correct option. Question 1. Which of these is not a season? Option: stormy, monsoon, summer, winter. Answer: stormy. Question 2. Which of these places enjoys pleasant weather even during winter? Option: Gangtok, Srinagar, Mumbai, Shimla. Answer: Mumbai. Question 3. Which of these is common during summer? Options: snowfall, dust storm, fog, rain. Answer: dust storm. Question 4. When does the monsoon season start? Options: January, June, August, December. Answer: June. Question 5. Which of these states remain dry even during the monsoon? Options: Kerala, Meghalaya, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Answer: Tamil Nadu. Fill in the blanks. First, rainfall and temperature affect the climate of a place. Second, the winter lasts from mid-November till end February. Third, the winds blow from the west during winter are called western disturbances. Fourth, the southern part of India remains cold even during the summer. Fifth, the monsoon winds blow from the sea towards land. Answer these. Question 1. What is the difference between weather and climate? Answer: weather is the day-to-day conditions of the air at a particular place. It can be described as sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, or foggy. On the other hand, the climate of a place is the pattern of weather conditions over a very long period of time for about 35 to 40 years. Question 2. What role do the western disturbances play? Answer: the western disturbances cause light rainfall in the plains and snowfall in the northern mountains. Question 3. How are monsoon winds useful? Answer: the monsoon winds carry a lot of moisture with them when they blow from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal towards the land. Due to this, they cause rainfall in most parts of India. Question 4. Which state in India receives the highest rainfall? Which state receives the lowest rainfall? Answer: the state in India that receives the highest rainfall is Meghalaya, 800 centimeters. The state in India that receives lowest rainfall is Rajasthan, less than 10 centimeters. Question 5. Why does Chennai remain cool even during summer? Answer: Chennai is located in the southern part of India. The southern part of India, which is surrounded by sea on three sides, is less hot. The cool breeze from the sea keeps the coastal areas cool. Due to this, Chennai remains cool even during summer. दोस्तों मुझे विश्वास है कि आप बार बार यह वीडियो देखकर और सुनकर अपनी पढ़ाई याद कर लेगी और आपकी पढ़ाई अच्छे से होगी। इजी स्टडी के लिए इजी स्टडी विद सार्थक जी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक, शेयर करना ना भूले और बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करना ना भूले। इससे आपको हमारे आने वाले नए पढ़ाई के वीडियो सबसे पहले प्राप्त होंगे। खुश रहो दोस्तों, खुश रहो।